Hi guys. Today this could be a very, very special video. Okay? Because my mom is gonna teach me how to use the microwave. Oh, I probably shouldn't show that on camera.
Okay, put your cheese on it.
But I'm gonna add some cheese. So when I use the microwave, this will be melted cheese. That's my favorite part of my noodles. What's the favorite part of your noodles? Tell me in the comments, okay? Okay. Yeah, a lot of cheese. Subscribe if you like a lot of cheese on your noodles.
Okay, good job.
Okay, that's enough for cheese. Now you just gotta mix. Hi, Luki. Buddy's gonna make some noodles. Noodles? Yeah. Yeah, and noodles. Luke just ate chocolate. Don't. Yeah, he's lying. Where is the water?
Right here, Bubba.
Oh.
Okay, you gotta come down from there, okay? Leo needs the stove.
Okay, guys, so I can use the microwave now.
Okay, so take your bowl over there to the other counter.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good right there. Just take your bowl, put it on the counter. Okay, climb up. You're good, buddy.
Okay, climb up.
Careful.
Okay.
Okay, open the microwave. Okay, stick your bowl in there. Take the fork out.
Take the fork out. Can you hold this?
Careful, Leo.
Now what? Do I shut it?
Yep. Okay, and then do you see towards the bottom in the middle it says plus 30 SEC?
Plus 30. Do I want to see plus 30? Oh yeah,
Okay,
plus
push
30.
that. Okay, you're good. Gonna warm it for 30 seconds. Easy peasy, right?
Okay, good job. Thank you, Mommy.
It's okay.
Guys, just gotta wait. Luki, don't touch. No touch.
Lukey, get down.
Luki, get down. I need to use it. Luki, get down. No. Get down. No.
Okay, I'll get him. Come on. Let Leo get it, okay? Come here. Go ahead, Leo.
Now what?
Okay, pull it out, baby. It's gonna be hot though, okay?
No, I'm not.
It's not gonna be that hot. Go ahead.
You do it.
Okay, put it down on the counter. Okay, shut the door. Okay, you're good. Now get down. Come show your creation.
Look at that melted cheese. Dude, look at that melted cheese.
Give it a rating. You taste it.
Are you ready, guys, to taste this? So cheesy, I can't get one. 10 out of 10. You guys want to try some? Here, try some.
Okay, then